Stop. This channel made $22,000 last month just from ad revenue alone. This channel made $17,000. This channel made over $300,000 last year. This channel made over $26,000 in the past 30 days just from ad revenue alone. Inside of this video, I will show you how you can copy and paste YouTube videos to make tens of thousands of dollars even as a complete beginner. And in fact, I'm gonna give you a tool that is going to do the work for you, where you can literally just paste and click one button and the tool will actually create those videos for you. So faceless YouTube automation doesn't necessarily need to be really hard, and in this video I will show you how simple and easy it is to create a channel like this and monetize it with ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. And as you can see, once again, just from ad revenue, these guys are making tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And then if you add affiliate marketing and brand deals, they're probably hitting $50,000 to $100,000 a month. Imagine having a laptop sitting at your home or wherever you want to be, traveling the world, and not showing your face on YouTube, not filming anything with a camera, and making a lot of money by doing that. So if you're excited about this tutorial, then drop a like down below, and if you want to see more step-by-step tutorials on how to start a faceless YouTube automation business, then make sure you're subscribed to this channel with notifications on. And with all of that being said, let us begin. So the very first channel that I wanted to show you is called Tech Magazine. This is the channel that is making $22,000 a month from ad revenue, and that is approximately $271,000 a year, once again, just from ad revenue alone. If you open up any of their videos, like for example this one, you're gonna be able to see that they're not showing their face and they're literally just taking someone else's videos, someone else's shots, like this is like an airplane crash or whatsoever, like the most dangerous airplane landing, and they're basically taking someone else's shots, and by doing that they're making over $20,000 a month. And if you go to their description, you can see that they're basically saying that if someone has problems with them taking their videos and their clips, they should just email them and they're gonna remove the video. So that way they're basically making sure that everyone is fine with these videos. For example, I'm gonna show you where to find these clips, but basically they can go to a website, like for example in this case, company called Ethiopian Cargo. So they can just go to their website, take their clip, put it in their video. I'm gonna show you how to do that as well with literally just one click of a button, and then they just credit the owner in the description, or just say, hey, if you have some problems with us using your clips, then just email us and we're gonna remove the video or whatsoever. But trust me, all of these companies and all of these clip owners, like people who actually film these videos, are gonna be proud that you are using their clips, because that's gonna grow their exposure. For example, as you can see, this is literally free advertisement for this company, so they're not gonna be mad that you are taking their clip. So once again, you can open up any of the videos on Tech Magazine and you are gonna be able to see that they did not film them themselves. As you can see, they're crediting the owner of the video here, for example, Jason Wells. In most of the cases, they literally just ask their audience to submit different clips for them, and then the audience just emails them and says like, hey, this is a clip that I have, you can use it in your videos. They're making like a compilation of different boat fails, airplane fails, and whatnot. As you can see, they're crediting them in the description and also saying that if you have some problems, you want a video removed, we're gonna do it right away. And that's how they're keeping this channel running and making $20,000 a month from ad revenue. The next channel, which is making $28,000 a month, which is even more, is this channel right over here, posting animal type of videos. These are kind of cruel videos because they usually talk about animal death, you know, it sucks, but basically they're also just taking someone else's clips. So maybe they have an audience who submits these clips to them, so maybe they could go to the zoo, they film something nice happens over there, and they want to share that with the world, so they just go to a channel like this and they submit those clips so these guys can use them. And as you can see, for copyright matters, please contact us, and they have email address over there. So if someone has issues with the video, if they want it removed, they can just email them over here, and that's pretty much it. And that's how these channels are actually working, and that's how they're not getting any copyright strikes, because if someone has some issues with them using their clips, they can just email them using that email over there. The next channel, which is making $26,000 a month from ad revenue, is Brainy Those. Now this is the type of channel that you can actually generate using the tool which I'm about to share with you in this video. It pretty much requires just one click of a button to get a video like this. So for example, top 10 bad habits that destroy your confidence. If you open up the video, you can see that this is only stock footage. Like, this is not the creator of the channel. This is stock footage that they found online, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're not gonna use story blocks or pixels or whatsoever. We literally have one tool where you can just click one button and get it all done. You can get it edited for you. You can get these clips for you. You can get a text that's showing up, animations and all of that without any video editing skills, because you just have to click and they're gonna generate the video for you. And that's exactly how these guys are also doing it. Maybe they're not using the tool which I'm about to share with you because they didn't watch this video, but the principle is pretty much still the same. They have stock footage, they have the voiceover in the background, someone reading the script, and that's pretty much it. They have their logo over here, which is just basic text, and that's pretty much it. They got 2 million subscribers on a faceless channel like this, and once again, they're making $26,000 a month and getting over 6 million views. Literally just in the last 30 days, they've gotten 6.5 million views. And you can just imagine how much money they can make from affiliate marketing and also from brand deals. Because I have channels that have less than 1 million subscribers where we literally charge $2,000 to $6,000 per video. So we get less than 1 million views per month, and we charge $2,000 to $4,000 for a sponsored video. So this guy could probably charge a lot more than that. And if he's charging just $3,000 per video, and if he gets only 10 sponsored videos a month, that's gonna be $30,000 from brand deals plus an additional $25,000 from ad revenue, and then you can also add some affiliate marketing over there. Another channel which is making $17,000 a month is Body Hub. If you open up any of their videos, you're also gonna be able to see that they have the same principle. These are stock footage, stock photos. Like, this is not even a clip, this is a stock photo. Some text shows up, like different facts about like drinking water and whatnot, talking about health and fitness and their body and food and whatnot, like how to fall asleep, like those types of videos. And they're just taking stock footage and stock photos for their videos. And since they have over 1 million subscribers, they can probably also charge $3,000 to $5,000 per sponsored video. If they get just 3 sponsored videos at the price of $5,000, just 3 sponsored videos, that will be $15,000 plus an additional $17,000 from ad revenue and some affiliate marketing. That means they're probably making over $30,000 a month just from this channel where they are not showing their face. Now, if you want to create the same type of content and start the same type of YouTube automation business, then you can use a tool called InVideo, and I will leave a link to it in the description box down below for a special access. And InVideo is a tool where you can create stunning videos easily with pretty much just one click of a button. They have a lot of different tools, like they have a lot of different features, but one of them is a tool that's going to convert text into a video, and I'm going to show you how that works. So as you can see, InVideo is a powerful online video editor. It comes with all sorts of different things, including stock footage and stock photos that you can use, including different animations and transitions, and it's really easy to use. It's completely beginner friendly, plus you don't even have to install it to your computer. You can use it on the internet, so you don't have to download or install anything to your device, which makes it even more simple and more beginner friendly. So just come to invideo.io, click on get started, it's free, and then you can sign up by entering your full name, your email address, and a password, or you can sign up with Google or Facebook. Now once you sign up, this is what you're gonna be able to see. You can select which type of dimension you want, whether it's gonna be a wide video, square video, or vertical video. So for whatever platform you're using this, whether that's gonna be Instagram stories, TikToks, or YouTube, you can just select. In this case, I'm gonna be going with the wide video because I want to make a YouTube video. I don't want to make a shorts or whatsoever. I just want a long form YouTube video. And you can either choose from some of their pre-made templates. They actually have over 5,000 different pre-made templates that you can customize. Like, you can just select which of these templates you like, you double click on the text, and you can change it. Like, whatever type of video you want to make. It doesn't necessarily need to be for YouTube, but whatever type of video you want to make, you can use InVideo if you make it. And then you can also use text to video, or you can also start with a blank canvas. But if you want to use text to video, which is a tool that pretty much generates an entire video for you, you just select the template that you like. For example, I want to use this one because it's really similar to the Brainy Dose, like the channel that is making over $30,000 a month. They pretty much are using the same thing. As you can see, stock footage and some text and some animations, and that channel is making a lot of money, so I'm going to use this template. Now you can just add your script inside of this box. So basically you can write a script for one of these videos, and if you don't even know how to write the script for those videos, you can literally just find some video idea from a channel that is already successful. So for example, let's see which type of videos performed well in the past 30 days. So maybe a video that talks about 12 foods to eat for skinny guys to gain muscle. This video actually got more views than others. So what you can simply do is you can go to a tool like Anyword. This is anyword.com. You can also sign up for free through Anyword, and they're basically gonna generate a full script for you. So let me show you how that works. So you can basically just go to Blog Wizard. They're gonna like create a blog post, but you are gonna turn that blog post into a script. So then you can just go and see, like for example, 12 foods to eat for skinny guys to gain muscle. I will just paste that inside of this box, click on the next, and they're gonna generate the title for me, like what will be the best title for this type of a script, for this type of text. I'm gonna go with 8 foods that skinny guys can eat to gain muscle. This is a really good one. They're gonna outline the video for us. They're gonna create the intro paragraph, and then they're gonna basically write each section for us. I actually talked about so many different times on how to write a script using Anywhere, so I'm not gonna cover a full process in this video because it literally just requires clicking a button like next, and then you will have a full script, which you can then just copy. I'm gonna continue to the editor to show you how it works. So basically just generate a section number 1, generate section number 2, generate section number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And then once you're done clicking the generate button, you just press this button to copy the full article, and then you can just basically go over to InVideo, and then you can paste your text inside of this box, paste your script inside of this box, and you can also add the headline here, add 8 foods that skinny guys can eat to gain muscle. And then I'm gonna click on next, and they can also rearrange text for you if you want to, and then just click on next, and they're gonna load the full video, which you can also customize. Like if you don't like some parts, if they maybe made a little bit of a mistake or whatsoever, you can of course change the colors, change the text, change the font. You can add more text animations and all that. I'm gonna show you how to do it because it's really simple and easy, and you don't really need any video editing skills for this or any prior experience to do it. So here's the video. So first of all, we have like the headline over here, and if you don't like the background photo, you can pretty much change it. You can click on drag and drop media. So here on the left hand side, you can add different images. If I, for example, want to find some skinny guy, I can just type in skinny guy inside of this box. They're gonna show us different photos. Like for example, if I want to use this one, I can just drag it over here, and they're gonna change it. 8 foods that skinny guys can eat to gain muscle. Then the next scene, you might have heard that eating junk food and lifting weights can help you gain muscle, but you don't want to get fat in the process, right? And this is the next scene, and they're basically gonna continue adding different scenes over here. As you can see, almonds, junk food, different food on the screen, eggs and whatnot, oatmeal, eggs, and all of those. Like as you can see, all the scenes actually look pretty nice. If you want to add your own logo, you can also attach the logo on the left side. If you want to add background music, you can also do that. You can select the mood. You can also add different effects. You can add different stock footage. You can add your own script. You can upload different things on here. As you can see, I uploaded my logo here as well, and it's pretty much super easy and simple, and it's fully customizable. And then once you're done editing your video using InVideo, you just have to click the download button here, and then the video is going to be exported. You can just export the video, you wait until that loads, and you're ready to upload it to your YouTube channel. And as you can see, those types of videos actually have a chance to make you a lot of money online. As you can see, these are literally the same type of videos that you can generate using InVideo and potentially make tens of thousands of dollars every single month by doing that. I really hope you either got inspired in this video to start your own faceless YouTube automation channel, or at least learned something new in this video. And if you did, make sure to drop a like to it down below. Check out InVideo using the first link in the description box down below. And a special thanks to InVideo for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.